So this video is just random commentary from while we were building the Boost Creative Toolbox set 17101.
Okay, so over here we're saying that this set does not come with an instruction manual. Rather, there's this booklet that says go to the app and download the app. The rest of this pamphlet, is just a something or another.
Yep. Just gonna load that. The sound. Right, I guess there's a tutorial.
Okay, so we're saying that this battery box is a more convenient design.
Probably.
Because the
like
batteries go in on all the sides and they're not staggered like the old one.
This is the new cable. It just goes right in. It doesn't. There's no click or anything. It just sort of held in by friction, I guess. Trusty brick separator.
Okay, so this is what you get after you build the first bag.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, the name of the thing is the Move Hub, and you turn it on by pressing the green button. Look at that animation.
It's one of these critters.
Yes.
He's got some. No, those are just eyebrows.
Update the firmware.
The light color changed.
Okay.
Alright, we had to restart the phone and the app because it crashed. Seems like the hub turned off while we were updating the firmware. Anyway, now it's going.
Okay, wait, so why don't you drag some more stuff on or off? So you basically connect more functions onto the end of your quote-unquote program, and why don't you try playing it?
Alright.
And you can see it moving on the screen as you execute different parts of the
It's
program.
playing sound effects while it's doing that.
So it's like giving you ads, saying that you can combine it with other LEGO products to make cool things, I guess.
The tying is a neat feature.
This looks like a new mold for the toe ball. It's got a hole in it, which it previously did not have. Okay, so this is the end of bag 2. With bag 3, you should be able to make that whole thing. But this is what you get from bag 2. So there's a step here that tells you to thread one wire one way and the other wire the other way. But one wire goes to the light sensor and one goes to the motor. And it's hard to tell from the instructions which one should go which way, but it's probably not relevant because the thing can detect which one is the sensor and which one is the motor.
We're speculating.
At the end of bag 3.
The difference between the new and the old mold of this link, I mean, aside from the notch there, is that the old one's got a flange here, so you can't push a ball through it. In exchange, you can't do this, though. Here, the link attaches to the ball from different sides here. I mean, basically, in exchange, this can happen. And so the instructions specifically tell you not to do that.
Rotate the head and show the link.
So there. And you turn the other way there. So it's not
Okay,
quite
cool.
symmetric, but the effect is pretty good.
So the way that his eyebrows are linked, he gets angry going one way and sad going the other way. Okay. And that's the end of bag 4.
All right.
So this is at the end of
Bag 7.
bag 7. And now he's going to get arms. So here are his arms, and he can grab stuff that's big enough, I suppose. Oh, like that. Okay, drop it. Yeah, okay. Like that. And both arms are pretty much the same. And lots of degrees of freedom. Here's our program. Okay, now why don't you do it?
I am fine. Thank you for asking.
Okay, now continue.
I don't know what this block does, so let's find out.
What is your name?
That's it.
Oh, there's many questions blocks.
Yeah.
What was that?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you could have him ask a question and wait for a response or something like
So
that.
There. So there he goes again.
Hi!
What was that? Hello?
Oh, it didn't wait for the second speech.
We need to no, because you triggered the.
Oh, I
You
see.
triggered both of them. So what we need is the timer in between, and then there's a pause. Make that one longer. There. Ready? Hello.
What was that?
I said hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hmm.
So you need to put the timer
Yeah,
there.
I see. You have to wait.
All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
we're
now
done.
go to the animation. The unlocking animation.
No, there isn't one because we finished the level.
No, see, that's what I want to see. Okay, there.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. So many levels.
Oh my god.
So you have like Dancing Vernie, Cowboy Vernie, and
Cat Bernie.
No, it's sports. All right, cool. And what's
Okay.
in here?